Best wishes of the morning to all of you, class 10th. Welcome to English Literature, first book, first flight. This is from his first lesson, a letter to God. From this chapter, we have completed up to here, and from that passage, questions were given to you to write answer. Today we have to start from here. Please pay attention, being concentrated, listen me. Not a leaf remained on the trees. The corn was totally destroyed. The flowers were gone from the plants. Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his sons, "A plague of locusts would have left more than this. The hail has left nothing. एक भी पत्ती नहीं बची. Not a leaf on the trees." इतनी तेज बारिश हुई. It rained so heavily. Fast wind blew. Hailstones also fell on the ground, on the valley, on the crops, on the corn, so many. इन सभी ने जो है इस नेचुरल डिसास्टर ने एक भी पत्ती नहीं छोड़ी. लेंचो का पूरा फसल डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया गया, रुइन कर दिया गया, बर्बाद कर दिया गया, डैमेज कर दिया गया. फ्लावर्स बिल्कुल जा चुके थे. अब लेंचो बहुत दुखी था. लेंचो वॉज वेरी सैड. ही वॉज फुल ऑफ sorrow. When the storm had passed, जब तूफान थम गया, वो ठीक खेत के बीच में खड़ा हुआ and said to his sons with relief, what? कि प्लेग, टिड्डियों का समूह तुझसे कहीं ज्यादा छोड़ देता, but hail has left nothing. लेकिन इन ओलों ने तो कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा. This year we will have no corn. हमारे पास इस साल कुछ भी नहीं है. This year we have nothing to eat. That night was a very sorrowful night, very pitiable night, very miserable night for Lencho. Lencho के लिए वो रात बहुत ही दुखद पूर्ण थी. He thought, what did we get? क्या हम पाए? For our work, for all our work, we got nothing. हम कुछ भी नहीं पाए. Now there is no one who can help us. अब वो सोचता है कि उसके पास कोई भी नहीं है जो उसकी हेल्प कर सकता था. Who can help him? Help the family. He thought that very sorrowfully he produced a sentence that all the members of that family will go hungry whole year. But in the heart of all who lived in that solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. लेकिन उस सॉलिटरी हाउस में, उस लोनली हाउस में, उस एकांत हाउस में, सबके हार्ट में एक ही उम्मीद थी, हेल्प फ्रॉम गॉड. Don't be so upset even though this seems like a total loss. Remember, no one dies of hunger. So Lencho's soul consoles him, assures him, उसको विश्वास दिलाती उसकी आत्मा. Don't be upset so much because everyone is saved by God. No one dies of hunger. God helps everyone. उस पूरी रात लेंचो जो है सोचता रहा एक ही हेल्प के बारे में, हेल्प ऑफ गॉड. सोचता गॉड के बारे में. गॉड नोज एवरीथिंग. ही नोज इवन ही नोज inner feeling of the creatures. He sees everything what happens on the earth. Lencho was very laborious man, industrious man, very hard working man. He worked hard just like ox from morning to evening. So Lencho was called an ox of a man. But still he knew, लेकिन वो जानता था how to write. While being a farmer, he knew very well, Miss Little, he was literal person. not illiterate. Literate person. He knew how to write and read. So early in the morning, he began to write a letter which he himself would carry to town and place in the mail. It was nothing less than a letter to God. In his first letter to God, after thinking few moments, his mind struck an idea. He wrote a letter to God. So what did he write in his first letter to God? Here, please pay attention. God, he wrote, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. I need 100 pesos in order to sow my field again and to live until the crop again comes again, because the hailstorm. He wrote to God on the envelope, put the letter inside, and still traveled went to town. At the post office, he placed a stamp on the letter and dropped it into the mailbox. उस लेटर में लिखता है गॉड के लिए, अगर आप मेरा हेल्प नहीं करेंगे तो मेरी फैमिली और मैं भूखे मर जाएंगे इस ईयर. मुझे 100 पेसोस की आवश्यकता है फील्ड को फिर से बोने में और तब तक जीवित रहने के लिए, बिकॉज द हेल स्टॉर्म हैज डैमेज्ड एवरीथिंग, हैज डिस्ट्रॉयड, हैज रूइंड एवरीथिंग. उसके बाद ईमेल पर टू गॉड लिख देता है. देखिए गॉड के पास जा रहा होता है. गॉड का यहाँ पर रिसीवर है. इनवेलप के अंदर लेटर डालता है और उस पर स्टॉम्प लगाता है. पोस्ट ऑफिस में इसको डिस्पैच कर देता है. टुडे यू विल गेट ओनली वन क्वेश्चन. व्हाट डिड लेंचो राइट in his first letter to God? Please answer this question. Thanks. Have a nice day.